Hello everyone, here at this point of time we are going to understand adjective of quality. We will not talk about adjective of quality, but we will be talking about the arrangement adjective of quality. But we will be not talking about what is adjective of quality, what are its function, but we will be talking about one of the most important aspect of it, that what should be the arrangement of adjective of quality. It is very important to understand. What you need to observe while understanding the adjective of quality, while it using or while it understanding the what we see its order, it is very important to understand that we first use opinion. You can say O as A as C-O-M-P. If you are able to remember it or comp, then you will be able to arrange adjective of quality in a good manner. Arrangement of adjective of quality is very important. Here O is showing opinion. What did I say? Opinion. Opinion can be, you can say, beautiful. Beautiful. You can say pretty. You can say ugly. So it is very important to understand the opinion. First of all, whenever there is adjective of quality, then first of all you will have to put opinion. Then after, S is size, right? Size can be long, it can be short, it can be tall, right? And here A is representing age. Then after you will have to consider age, that it is new or is old or is young, right? And here S. Then after you will have a consideration on S, that is called its shape. Shape can be like round, it can be square, etc. And here C is representing, please understand it, and C is representing, it's called color. Then after you should have a consideration of color, that what color it is. It can be black, it can be white, right? So we should have some consideration while arranging adjective of quality. The first of all, we will have to take the consideration of opinion, then after size, is, shape, color, and O means what? O is representing origin. What did I say? Origin. Origin, like that you can say it is Indian. You can say German. Right? You can say French. Right. And if I talk about M, then M is representing material. What? Material. Material means you can say it's leather, it's gold, silver. And what does this P means? It is very important. Please understand it. P is showing the purpose. Purpose. The purpose can be your writing, running, right? So if you are able to remember this OSUS comp, then you will be able to arrange any adjective of quality. That's called opinion, size, age, shape, color, material, and the last one is purpose. Purpose should be in the last. According to this, I'm going to write an example before you and you will have to correct it. The question is, if I say Preeti bought a Chinese beautiful golden cutting knife. So arrange it correctly. Here Chinese is showing the origin, beautiful is showing your opinion, golden is showing the material, cutting is showing the purpose. Yani all these are adjective and these are called adjective of quality, and you will have to arrange it. As we have studied that for opinion we should have the consideration first. Then after we should have size. Is there any size? No. Then after is no any discussion of it, so leave it. And then after it's called shape. Is there any shape? Talking about no. And the last and the next one is called color. Golden. Golden is color, right? It is color. Please understand it. It is not material, right? It is not material. It is color. It means it is color. Then the condition should be consideration is correct here, right? And what about E? O means origin. Where? It's called Chinese. It means the consideration should be like this. And the last one is cutting. The purpose is for cutting. And the last one is right. And this is a noun. As we have understood, and as you might be knowing, that adjectives are used for the purpose of noun. If there is an adjective, it means it is talking about any noun, right? Without noun, adjective is not possible. So what would be the correct answer? Preeti bought a beautiful golden Chinese cutting knife, right? It means it is correct here. Let me put another example, and you will have to comment in just by arranging it. Example can be Priyanka. Priyanka has long, silky, black, thick hair. So just comment, just be arranging the adjective of quality in a good manner, and let me see how many of you is going to correct it out. Anyway, thank you for being with me. Have a great time.